Just a general old Smurf. No one in particular, but a lovely creatures that they are. So let's start right about here. Line number 1, right like that. And that'll be the side of his face. Could draw a big old nose, big old round nose like that. Looking nice, everyone. We'll continue his face around here like this. Sweet. All right then. Now we can draw some eyebrows. One here, and another one right about there. Okie dokie, everybody, looking good. Now the Smurf's eyes kind of join one another, so we're gonna make them look like this. One here, and another one up around like that. Just like that. That's looking nice. They're together like that. And then we can draw his pupils. One here, and another one right there. And let's color those in black right now. Looking nice. Let's give him a big old smile on the cheek here. Bring it on down like that. Looking good, everybody. And now let's bring his arm up. So he's gonna wave. Let's give him a big wave. Arm up like that. Now let's draw his hand. His thumb will be here like this. Palm of his hand there. And our Smurf has 3 fingers. 1, 2, and 3. Looking nice. Now let's join this all up like that with a line right there. Alrighty. Let's bring this arm down like this. That's looking good. And we can give him a bit of a body here right now, like that, and like that. Now let's finish his face off. We'll start with his ears. These Smurfs have big ears, so let's do this. Big old ear like that. Just behind his hand that we just drew. Looking good. Bring it in like that. And now we can do his hat. The hats are always fun. We'll start with a line there. And then we can bring the beginning of his hat up like that. Just the beginning part, and then this bit, and a little tuft at the top. Right about like that. Bring it all on down, right there it was here, like that. Look at that, looking like a Smurf. Very nice. Now let's join his pants up like this. Smurfs don't have shirts, do they? They're just blue. Let's bring his other arm down like that. Now his belly can be here like this. And then we can draw his legs. One leg here. His bum right about there. Join his other leg up like that. Make his second leg right about here. 1, 2, and Smurfs have big old legs. Feet, I mean. Here we go. Let's draw the big feet. Just like this. Big oval feet like that. There we go. There's the first one. And here's the second. Just like that. Looking good. The Smurfs are almost ready. Now we can draw a thumb here. Just like that. And we'll draw the remaining of his hand here down like this. Finger 1, finger 2, and finger 3 will be in here with a line right about there. Looking good, everybody. All right, let's draw a tail right about there. Little bit of a tail, looking good. Okay, let's get to the color. Smurfs just have blue skin, really. All right, everybody. Thanks. Have a good one.